there are a lot of parents who think that fashion design is something to do with modeling. So the other way in which you can pursue fashion design is by doing diploma courses. The first thing which I would like to suggest you is basically the 4-year course includes foundation year along with other 3 years, while the 3-year courses Hello guys, welcome to Fashion Panorama. Myself Mansi and I'm pursuing bachelor's in fashion design. I make videos on fashion education, fashion styling, fashion vlogs and each and everything that includes fashion inside it. This video is very special for me as this is my first video. So this video is basically for those who are very fascinated to learn about the term fashion design and who wanted to know what basically fashion design is. So and also for those who are pursuing fashion design or who wanted to make their career in design. So basically I would like to clear the difference between fashion design, textile design and modeling. Textile design is the thing which is very different field from, it is connected to fashion design but it is different from fashion design. Along with that, there are a lot of parents who think that fashion design is something to do with modeling, or even those students who think that the fashion design is something to do with modeling, or you have to walk on a ramp. And so guys, there is no such things which are going to happen. Basically fashion education or fashion design includes the study of various design and development skills which along with some various technical knowledge of how garments in the industries and other lifestyle accessories are produced. Along with that, fashion design also includes the study of various textiles and handicrafts along with art and craft, and also includes the study of business management strategies. Our next topic is how to pursue design. Okay, let me tell you guys, there are 3 different ways in which you can pursue design. The first way is you should go for short-term courses. Like there are a lot of institutes which provides short-term courses in fashion design such as 3 months course, 6-month courses and 9-month courses, which includes the basic design and development skills, and those will also be a good option for those who are who already have pursued an education in different fields and who wanted to kind of make their career on a small scale in design field, or who wanted to learn the basic things about design. So the other way in which you can pursue fashion design is by doing diploma courses. So guys, diploma courses are also of 3 types. So first of all, there is 1-year diploma in which you can get to learn about women's specialization. In 2-year diploma, you will be learning about kids and women's specializations, and in 3 years diploma, you will be learning men's, women's as well as kids. So the next way to pursue fashion design is by doing bachelor's in fashion design. There are a lot of institutes which provides degree programs in fashion design. Basically degree programs includes 2 types of courses. One is of 4-year course and the other is of 3-year courses. Basically the 4-year course includes foundation year along with other 3 years, while the 3-year courses includes only the 3 years without foundation years. Okay, so it depends on the institute in which you are getting admission into. So according to me guys, there is no formal education required for a person to be a successful fashion designer, or up till and unless you are keen to learn new things and you are passionate about your work. Learn new skills every day. Along with learning, you should apply it to and also create it and to revolutionize it. So in this field, being skilled is very important than being qualified. Getting education is just a way, is just a path for you where you can learn different things on, but being skilled without any education as well as with education is absolutely depend on you. There are a lot of students who study fashion design but they are still very confused about themselves, about their skills. They are very kind of poor in education. Along with that, but on the other side, there are students who are who might not have taken any class in any field, but they are very good with their skills. So the thing which I wanted to tell you guys is it absolutely depends on you. There are a lot of platforms which provides you each and every education about things, but the main thing is how you can learn it and how quick you are ready to apply it. So lastly, I'll share some crucial tips which are very important to implement on time guys, because during my education there was no one to guide me in a way. I am going to tell you there are so many crucial things which you have to keep in mind while pursuing an education in any field. The first thing which I would like to suggest you is do not procrastinate, guys. There are a lot of subjects which you study while pursuing design, and each and every subject is extremely very important for you, because this is not education where you have to open books and read and write and learn and then apply. No guys, this is not at all like this. This is a creative field, and you have to be very very creative with your skills, guys. And along with that, I will suggest you to complete your submissions on time. Do not procrastinate, do not make waste of time. So that's all for today, guys. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. See you in my next video. Till that, stay home, stay safe and take care of yourself.